Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen mirroring without using Google Home app. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, select settings icon from top, select system. First we need to ensure that this TV has chromecast feature. Under system here we can see cast option. That means this TV has chromecast feature. Go up, select about. Under about here we can see device name Google TV. So this is the name of this TV. We can edit this name and we can give any name here. Right now this is the name of this TV. Please note this name. Then go back. Again go to settings. Select this settings icon. Go to network and internet. Here we can see I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. We have to connect both the mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network or same mobile hotspot. Let me go to mobile phone. In mobile phone, go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go to network and internet. So here you can see this mobile phone also connected to same Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi 2024. If you don't have Wi-Fi router, then you can use mobile hotspot. In that case, you have to connect both the mobile phone and TV to same mobile hotspot. Let me close this screen. Then again go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Tap on connected devices. Tap on connection preferences. Here we can see cast. Tap on cast. See, the cast feature of this phone has detected my TV. That is why it's showing the TV name here. The cast feature of this phone will automatically search and detect Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network. So this mobile phone has detected my TV. That is why it's showing that my TV name here. Tap on this TV name. Tap on start now. See, it's working. So let me focus this TV screen. See, this way we can do screen mirroring without using Google Home app. If you want to switch a display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation on mobile phone. Then just rotate the phone. That way we can switch a display to full screen. We can also watch YouTube videos in full screen. Just to open YouTube app in mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. Just I will show you how we can stop this mirroring. Again, go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go to connected devices. Tap on connection preferences. Tap on cast. Tap on connected device. This is a connected TV. Tap on that. So now we get this disconnect option. Tap on disconnect. Done. So this way we can do screen mirroring. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take it.